Hello traders, it's Dropout with you. Wants to start trading but feel lost in complexity chart and indicators? Don't worry. Today I will explain how to use three main indicators RSI, MACD and SMA to success together. Well, through these tools can help you to make more confident and decisions and avoid common beginner mistakes. The video will make your trading easier and clear. So stay with us and start moving confidently towards and your goals. In the video, you will learn how MACD, RSI and SMA work, how they help to find entry points for trading, a simple strategy to start applying them today. Stay tuned. At the end of the video, I will share my secret to how to combine these indicators for maximum effectiveness, and in the timeless, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. What is RSI? RSI Relative Strategy Index shows the strategy of price movement. It is an oscillator indicator that helps identify when the market is over budget or oversold. Key emotional value range from 0 to 100 and zones over budget down about 70, primary might fall, oversold below 30, price might rise. Explain user when RSI reverse be 70, be ready for a downward reverse. For example, the RSI excited to the over budget zone, the price starts to decline and a start signals to open a sell trade. What is the MACD? MACD moving average convergent divergent helps determine the trade's direction and movement of relevance. Key element MACD line are signal lines, histograms showing the difference between the lines. Example, if the first line crosses the single line for the below, that's buy signal. Notice how the histogram start to growing on the chart. The trade is stunting. What is SMA? SMA simple moving average. It's a moving average that something price fluctuating showing the overall trading direction. For key element, the SMA line is built based on the average price over a specific period. The larger the period, the smoother the line. For example, when the price is above the SMA, it indicates up to a uptrade. If below, it's a downtrade. On the chart, you can see how to price crossing the SMA give a buy signal. How to combine RSI, MACD and SMA. Simple strategy. Use how to determine the overall trading. Second, the use MACD to find the entry point. And third, use RSI to confirm it the market is over budget. Trading experiment. Like on the charts, you can see the price is above the SMA uptrade. RSI confirm that the market is over budget zone and MACD showing the crossover upward directions. This is the perfect entry point for a trade. Combined trading mistakes by beginner. Making trading against the trades, it's the price below the SMA. Don't open for buy trade even if the right indicator signals it. Mistake 2. Blindly follow signals. Don't try to the just indicator. Always combine theme for greater accelerations. Mistake 3. Ignore time frame. Trades on the time frame by checking confirmation on large ones. We can say RSI, MACD, SMA are three simple but powerful tools that will help you to trade with the more confident and accurate. The key is to use in combination and avoid common mistakes. Congratulations on watching the video till the end. You are already among those who are striving for success. If you want to go more deeper, join my Telegram channel. I will share additional matter and details trading instructions there. The link in the video description. Congratulations on watching the video on the end. You are already in the top 10% winner who are truly work on improving their skill and success in trading. If you want to dive deeper, join my Telegram channel. There I will share exclusive materials, daily analysis and useful tips for trade. The link is waiting for you in the description of video.